Max D, Maximum Destruction, Spin Master Monster Jam, Series 30. Here we are on the back of the card. Legacy Trucks Max D is in. Then we have Dragon, which is in Phased Out. Earthshaker is in Legacy Trucks. Then we have Rainbow Blast in Alternate Dimensions. Blue Thunder, which is in Steel Reveal. And then we have the Monster Jam Fire Rescue Truck. Everyday Heroes, Fuel Academy, Trucks on Duty, and then Carnage Acadia in Monster Feast. And that is the chase piece. So let's go on and check out Max D. Here is Max D in Series 30, and we get BKT lettering on the tires. We get the gray rims, gray roll cage, and a gray chassis. Max D, the name of the truck is all the same, Tom Mintz. There's the Monster Jam logo. Here is the front, and on the opposite side, and the back. Now up top, this is where it gets a little bit different now, is we have World Champion for the Monster Jam World Finals in the middle. So before, we used to have a number for how many times he was a world champion. So on the top here, I got this one, which is a chase piece, the True Heavy Metals. And as you can see up top, this one says 12-time Monster Jam World Finals champion. So now they're just going along and just having it as world champion with the Monster Jam World Finals. So that is the only update here in Series 30 for Max D, is that little change up top on the hood of the truck. So that pretty much ends this unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it.